How do everybody, and welcome to my newest 4 booster pack opening. As you can see, we have XY Ancient Origins from Pokemon TCG. We have all 4 different pack arts for you to watch me open. I lost my train of thought there. So yes, we've got a big empty space here for all the good pulls. We're hoping for some good pulls today, as we always are, whenever we do the pack opening on this channel. There's your code card. Hopefully that means something good's coming this way. We start off with a Cottonee, a Golett, Combee, Malamar. I think I do an awful impression of Malamar, so I won't even say. Baltoy, Level Ball, Curlier, Faded Town for the Trainer Stadium there. The reverse is Naridos. It's just an uncommon card, that's okay, we like that. And the rare in the pack is a regular rare, non-holographic Entei. So that's my favourite card of each pack. Pop there. Of course, if we don't get good pulls, favourite card in each pack. So yeah. One, two, three, and 2. Waltz, Wooper, Baltoy with Ancient Traits. I do like the Ancient Trait cards myself. Cottonee, Eevee, Lucky Helmet, its trainer item, Ariados regular, to go with the reverse holographic from the last pack. I like that when that happens. Forest of Giant Plants is the stadium. Hex Maniac is the reverse. That's awesome. And the rare in the pack, I've been giving it away ever so slightly. And the rare in the pack is Tyranitar EX with Hammer In and Break Ground. That's awesome. And the third pack here. One, two, three. 1 and 2. Goomy. And we have an Eevee. Oddish. Combee. Inkay. We have an Ace Trainer. You can play this card only if you have more prize cards left than your opponent. Each player shuffles his or her hand into his or her deck, then draws 6 cards. Your opponent draws 3 cards. That's okay. And we have a Rotom, Sceptile Spirit Link. The reverse is a Meowth, just a common card, but that's okay. And the rare in the pack is a regular rare, non-holographic Regirock. I'll put the reverse Meowth there. And we have the 4th and final pack for these 4 booster pack openings. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please give it a thumbs up. We have a Lance, a Wooper, Baltoy with Ancient Traits. We have a Cottonee. Oops. We have an Eevee. We have a Siligoo. Special energy, flash energy. I do like the special energies, especially if they're either holographic or reverse holographic myself. That's just me. And Sableye. The reverse is a magic card, just a common card, that's okay. And the main of the pack is Evolution Line, yay! Sorry, the main of the pack is a Gyarados. Yes. I do like that when you get the evolutionary line like that. So to review of the 4 packs, we have, of course, the Gyarados and the Magikarp. Gyarados is an evolution of Magikarp. It's a nice evolutionary line there. And we have the Ariados reverse rare, and we have not rare. It's just an uncommon. I do apologise. And we have a Meowth reverse common, and the best pull of the video, Tyranitar EX, which is awesome. Please give it a thumbs up. I will enjoy that very much. Subscribe if you haven't, and comment in the comment section down below. Once again, thank you for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. Goodbye.